All right, y'all. I'm back with another snack crate box. Came in a couple of days, well, a few days ago. Um, just been so busy with family and shooting other videos. Finally getting around to opening this one. So let's get it open and take a look and see what country these snacks come from.
Mr. S-A-S-D.
All right, so let's get into it. New snack box. Haven't even looked in it yet. Came about 4 days ago. Um, so let's take a look and see what country this one is from. The first one I got was from Germany. It had a lot of really cool and delicious snacks in it. So go back and check that video on my page. And I think these boxes are really cool and really interesting. I get a lot of questions about them, and I do recommend it. It's very cool, a very good variety of snacks from the countries, whichever box it comes in. So, if you're able to, give it a try. They come from Snack Crate. You can get them from snackcrate.com. And let's get into it. You see the box. Always comes in this nice packaging, nice little box. And you always get a very good amount and quality of snacks. So let's check it out. All right. Yeah. You can see that there. Sorry, I'm doing this with one hand. So, as you can see right there, welcome to this month's Snack Crate Adventure. All right. And it says that they send you a little joke. I don't know if you can. Hold on, let me see if I can get you to see that. Sorry. Trying to look on the. If you can read that. Get a little closer. Starts off with a little joke. It says the snacks are expired. Then it says, just kidding, that they aren't. So that's good. So, and if you want more snacks, sorry about the terrible lighting. Hey, hopefully you can see that. Snackcrate.com/shop. You can visit there. All right, and our first says these are coming from the Netherlands. Interesting. So let's take a look in here. And if you can see that. Sorry, my lighting is a little. Let's see if I can. Let me try and adjust the lighting some. I hope that's a little easier to read. Uh-oh. It's glare. Okay, this lighting is killing me. I don't know what the problem is. There, that should be a lot better. So, there you can see he's from the Netherlands. and has these fun facts that you can read about. Says here, on average, Dutchmen are the tallest people in the world. The Dutch are the largest consumers of licorice, eating over 70 million pounds. The audio tape, videotape, and the CD were all invented in Eindhoven by the Dutch company Philips. There are more bikes, over 18 million, in the Netherlands than there are people. Known globally as the flower shop of the world, more than 75% of the world's flower bulbs come from the Netherlands each year. So, give you some interesting facts also. And this is the card it comes in this card. Comes in a very nice little card. Oh, neat. As you can see there. Pretty cool. Alright. And here is where it tells you what snacks that you get. So I'll hold that up for you so you can see it. Tells you the snacks. Take a look there. Interesting names. The other side shows the other snacks. There you go. Take a look at that. Very interesting. One thing I noticed about all these boxes is that, and some of the candies from around the world, is that Nutella plays a big part in their snack adventures or snack consumption. I'm having so much problem with my light. I hate it. Gotta buy a new stand. So, let's get into it. I'm doing it this way because I don't want to be on camera. It's so hot here in California. I mean, the weather, we've been over 100 degrees for I don't know how many days straight. And then on top of that, the wildfires. Makes for a very, very, very hot end to the summer going into fall. Alright, you see the paper. This stupid thing. I don't know what to do with this light stand. I'm gonna get rid of it. It's useless. It is completely useless. Okay, you see the paper? It has a flag of the Netherlands there. So let's get it open. Alright. So we're working with one hand and the other hand has the camera. Alright. Let's take a look at the first snack. See if I can. Now, one snack we can see already that we already know. It's crocky or croaky bolognese. They're chips. So you seem pretty cool. It's like tomato and onion and so there is one. And let's see what it says here. These unique chips are flavored with tangy tomatoey goodness and bolognese sauce. That sounds interesting. All right. Now here's something that's very familiar to us. Lay's potato chips. But they have a very interesting flavor combination. It says these chips are flavored with mustard, onion, curry, mayo, also known as Joppy sauce. So that's very interesting. I don't, as far as I know, we don't have that flavor here in California. So that's something very interesting there. Or not California, excuse me, in the U.S. Sorry about that. But yeah, so there you go. Choppy flavor. That's interesting. Okay, let's see what else we got. Oh, we know what these are, but in the U.S., these are just we call them sour strips. I don't know what you call them where you from, but they're called Zuri Matt Hess, and they're fruit flavored gummy ribbons. So we see these in the U.S., just not this type of packaging. It's cool. All right, what else we got in here? Here we go. It's a waffle-like snack. I don't see it on here. Oh wait, okay, here it is. Stoop waffles, crunchy waffles, filled with creamy caramel. Place on a cup of hot coffee or tea to soften the caramel. Oh, okay. So it's like a breakfast type, leisure type biscuit. And I guess you have it with coffee, or they regularly do in the Netherlands. So that's pretty cool. All right, let's see what else we got here. A windmill cookie. Okay, if you can see that. This one's a little smaller. It says, the Netherlands, in its most traditional snack form, the classic speculous cookie in the shape of a Dutch windmill. Oh, okay. This kind of looks like the butter cookies that we get in those round tin cans during the holidays. So that's pretty cool. Now these are, looks like a bunch of candies, and I hope you can see that. Let me get closer. Hoping you guys can see that. And it says Raidmaker Hopjes, named after Baron Hendrik Hop, a noted coffee lover. These candies have been made since the late 1700s. Oh, that's cool. So that's pretty cool. So came with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different snacks this time. Good variety. So I look forward to trying these, and then I'll give you my honest opinion on how they taste. But I don't see anything that's kind of any outrageous flavor or anything. Something I don't think I wouldn't enjoy. So that is the snack box from the Netherlands. Look forward to giving these a try, and I'm gonna give my my friends some of this and let them try it and see what they think. I find these pretty interesting, and it's always good to try something different than what you're used to locally. A lot of times we as consumers, we kind of stick to what's local, what we know, and very rarely do we go out of our way to try something new. So I thought this would be a good idea to have and to try something new and to see how it goes. This video's pretty long, so I'm gonna cut it short here. Again, give Snack Crate a try. Snackcrate.com. They're great for gifts, or just for yourself and your family to try different things from around the world. So look into it. I'm enjoying them. So, and this is my second box. So all right, that's it for now, and thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Any feedback is very welcome, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Thank you very much. You guys have a good one.